Welcome to Quick Book Bites. Today, we're exploring Market Wizards by Jack D. Schwager. This fascinating book offers a collection of interviews with some of the most successful traders and investors in history. Schwager's interviews provide a rare glimpse into the minds of these financial wizards, revealing their strategies, philosophies, and the lessons they've learned along the way. Market Wizards features interviews with legends like Tudor Jones, Bruce Kovner, and Richard Dennis. Each trader shares their unique approach to the markets, offering invaluable insights into what it takes to succeed in the world of finance. Schwager's engaging interview style allows these wizards to speak candidly about their successes and failures, providing readers with a wealth of practical knowledge. One of the key themes that emerges from these interviews is the importance of risk management. Despite their different strategies, all the traders emphasize the need to manage risk effectively. This means setting strict stop-loss levels, diversifying investments, and being disciplined in executing trades. They also highlight the psychological aspects of trading, such as maintaining emotional control and staying adaptable in ever-changing markets. Another recurring theme is the significance of continuous learning and self-improvement. The market wizards are constantly refining their strategies, learning from their mistakes, and adapting to new market conditions. This relentless pursuit of excellence is a common trait among all the successful traders featured in the book. Market Wizards is more than just a collection of interviews. It's a treasure trove of wisdom for anyone interested in the financial markets. Whether you're a novice trader or an experienced investor, the lessons from these market legends can help you improve your own trading strategies and achieve greater success. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Quick Book Bites for more insightful book summaries. Until next time, happy trading!